Yeah, people. So Shenseea just post on her Instagram and it look like she's in the hospital. We're not sure what happened at this point, but we just hope for the best. We hope it's nothing too serious. I just some exhaustion or something like that. You know what I mean? If she spend a few days, take some time off and rest, she will be right back. That's what we are hope for. Like I said, we don't really know what happened, but what we can tell you now is where she posts, right? So she posts a picture and she clearly have a hospital band on her hand. It's her name and it look like she have, you know what I mean, gauze and thing like that. Give her some kind of drip line or something. I'm not a doctor or anything, but you know, that's common sense me I work with. But people may go telling you what she said down in the caption. So in the caption she said, unfortunately I will not be attending all 4 events this weekend. To my Shenyangs and promoters, please understand as my health is truly at risk. I'll be out for a while. So we don't know where a while mean how long it is. You see what me I say? That's all she said for right now. So we just hope say, you know what I mean, and nothing serious like me say. People, you know what I mean, I don't want nothing happen to the artist. We don't want nothing happen to nobody as a matter of fact in these times. And we all know what's going out there. You see what I say? So we just want to see Shenseea, you know what I mean, overcome this and get back to the work and get back to our family at least even before the work. You see what I say? But people, I don't know, we just so stand by and we are watch it and see what go on, see if any more information become available. You know, we see in the comment section, we see people like Ramesh, we see the other female artists, and we see Chanel Muir, we see Lisa Anna, you know what I mean, Denique, whole heap of people, almost everybody, you know, it's all them things I go, you know, everybody I go support and everybody I go say get well soon. But we don't really see nothing we can tell us what happened. So all of the Shenyang them gonna go and hold on head, you know what I mean, and the artist gonna be okay soon. She been working a lot recently, you know what I mean. Feel like, I mean, they look like a year or two, since the last year or two, she been working like constantly, you know, shows all about. She have shows when some other artists now have shows as well. She had traveled a lot, you know, then they are Dubai the other day and them things. So maybe a data take a toll upon her. Now people, this is not facts right here. Me just attack. You see what I say? Me just say maybe a data go on. We don't really know what, you know, maybe we are hope for the best because that is the best case scenario, because that right there, so she can recover from that quick and she can get back to her family like me say. You see me? So people, we are keep our eyes open and our ears open and see what go on. At least if she get better, that's the objective right now. That's what more years so she out of the hospital and she good. And we never know, maybe she did in the hospital and she post the picture when she in the hospital but she not there anymore. So we don't know what go on. So we just wait for see what go on. So people, big up on yourself, stay tuned. As soon as me know what go on, I make you know what go on. Thanks for watching.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG, Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, Rich. Punk, should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.